Smart riders know the best motorcycle is not always the fastest. Reliability, cheap maintenance and low ownership costs make some bikes much better long-term investments. These are motorcycles that save owners money while still delivering a great riding experience. Let's count down the top 7 motorcycles with the lowest maintenance costs. Number 7, Yamaha MT-03. Known for its reliable engine and simple mechanics, it uses cheap parts. It offers excellent fuel economy and very low maintenance costs for daily riders. Number 6, Honda Rebel 500. This cruiser features legendary Honda reliability and a durable engine. With affordable service and low fuel consumption, it is the definition of easy ownership. Number 5, Kawasaki Ninja 400. Featuring a reliable parallel twin engine and inexpensive maintenance. It provides great economy and incredibly affordable running costs for a sport bike. Number 4, Suzuki SV650. The legendary V-twin engine offers unmatched durability and cheap repairs. Widely available parts and long-term reliability make it a favorite for smart investors. Number 3, Honda CB500F. Bulletproof Honda engineering combined with long service intervals and low costs. This is an excellent everyday motorcycle for those who value practicality and longevity. Number 2, Yamaha Tenere 700. The CP2 engine reliability and adventure-ready durability are world-class. Its simple mechanics and low maintenance needs make it the ultimate reliable explorer. Number 1, Honda NC750X features an extremely efficient engine, low service costs, and a practical design. Comfort and legendary reliability place it at the top of our list for low ownership costs. These motorcycles prove that smart engineering and reliability can be more valuable than pure horsepower. A great motorcycle gives you years of enjoyment without expensive repairs. Which motorcycle has the lowest maintenance cost? Subscribe to Moto Verdict for motorcycle reviews, reliability rankings, and buying guides.